Hello everybody, we are going to check out chapter number 18, Simple Present Tense of Standard 4th English Grammar. Simple Present Tense. So whichever activities we are doing or work or any action we are doing in the present time or day-to-day life, this all the activity or work or actions will be we can write down in the simple present tense. Let's hear what Rohan does every day. As I told you, our daily life or routine life can be mentioned in simple present tense. Okay, I woke up early in the morning, I brush my teeth and then get ready for school. I reach the bus stand on time at 7:30 a.m. The school bus picks me up and drops me at the school. Okay, then the words in the bold are verbs and they tells us what Rohan does every day. All these verbs in the are in simple present tense. We can see that in the simple present tense the original we use the original form of verbs like wake, brush and reach, but in some cases we add s like picks and drops. Remember, we use the original form of the verb when the subjects are I, we, you, they, or any plural subject. For example, I play. We add s or es to the original form of the verb when the subject is he, she, it, or any singular subject in the third person. For example, she plays. Dear students, please remember that with the I, we, you, or any plural subject, we have to use the original form of the verb. Okay, and with he, she, or it, or any singular subject, with any singular subject in the third person, we have to use or we have to add s or es to the original form of the verb. Okay, now underline the verbs and circle the subjects in the following sentences. Write p if the subject is plural, write s if the subject is singular. First number, we go to park on Sundays. We have to circle on v, and we have to underline go, it's p. Okay, we have to write down p. Second number, I enjoy classical music. We have to write s. We have to circle on I and we have to underline enjoy, and in the space we have to write down s. Why? Because subject is singular, that is why. Okay, third number, she goes to bed at 8 p.m. every day. We have to circle on she and we have to underline goes, and in the space we have to write down s. Fourth number, Jyoti lives in a large house. We have to circle on Jyoti, underline leaves, and in the space we have to write down s. Fifth number, Nita buys chocolates from that shop. We have to circle on Nita, underline buys, and in the space we have to write down s. Sixth number, I like cheese sandwiches. We have to circle on I, we have to underline like, and in the space we have to write down s. Seven number, they go to bed early. We have to circle on they, we have to underline go, and in the space we have to write down P because subject is plural. 8 number, we write well, we have to circle on V, WE and underline right, and we have to write down in the space P. 9 number, Rana plays the flute, circle on Rana, underline plays, in the space we have to write down S. 10 number, Meena talks loudly, circle on Meena, underline talks, in the space S. Now B number, make 3 sentences in a simple present tense with each of these verbs having I, he or she and they as the subjects. For example, I, it, she, its, they, it. First number sleep, second number wake, third number eat, fourth number walk and 5 number read. So from each we have to make 3 sentences. Okay, we have to make 3 sentences. Let's check out. B numbers first, I sleep soundly. Second sentence, I sleeps at 8 p.m. Third sentence, they sleep in a large bed. Second number, wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Second sentence, she wakes up late in the morning. Third sentence, they wake up after sunrise every day. Third, eat. First sentence, I eat my breakfast on time. Second sentence, she eats macaroni and cheese. Third sentence, they eat burgers and sandwiches. Fourth number, walk. First sentence, I walk slowly. Second sentence, she walks very fast. Third sentence, they walk together on the streets. Fifth number, read. First sentence, I read a storybook before I go to sleep. Second sentence, she reads novels. Third sentence, they read the newspaper daily. C number, change these sentences from plural to singular and make the required changes. For example, the woman cook food, it's plural, and the woman cooks food, it's singular. Okay, woman's, in the first sentence you can see woman's is WOMEN, and in the singular we can observe WOMAN, man, woman, and cook, and here cooks. Okay, so some required changes we have to do to make it singular to plural to singular. Okay, so first sentence, the singers sing well. The answer is the singer sings well. Second number, the little boys sell toys. So if we have to make it singular, then the little boy sells toys. Third number, the children wait for the bus. Third number answer, the child waits for the bus. Fourth number, the babies like cartoons. Fourth number answer, the baby likes cartoons. Fifth number, the students work hard. Fifth number answer, the student works hard. Sixth number, the aeroplanes travel fast. Sixth number answer, the aeroplane travels fast. Seven number, the watchman come on time. Seven number answer, the watchman comes on time. 8 number, the girls talk a lot in class. 8 number answer, the girl talks a lot in class. 9 number, the man go to office every morning. 9 number answer, the man goes to office every morning. 10 number, the girls dance gracefully. 10 number answer, the girl dances gracefully. D number, change these sentences from singular to plural and make the required changes. For example, the dog barks, it's singular, and answer, the dogs bark, it's plural. So first number, the baby cries bitterly. The answer is, the babies cry bitterly. Second number, the owl hoots at night. Second number answer, the owls hoot at night. Third number, the horse hoops. Third number answer, the horse hoop. Third number answer, the horses hoop. Fourth number, the cock prepares lunch. Fourth number, the cook prepares lunch. Fourth number, the cooks prepare lunch. Fifth number, the boy completes the work. Fifth number answer, the boys complete the work. Sixth number, the bus moves slowly. Sixth number answer, the buses move slowly. Seven number, the boy reads in the class. Seven number answer, the boys read in the class. Eight number, the girl sings loudly. Eight number answer, the girls sing loudly. Nine number, the woman cleans the room. Nine number answer, the woman clean the room. 10 number, the baby laughs. 10 number answer, the babies laugh. E number, filling the blanks with verbs in simple present tense. First number, a cobbler mends our shoes. MENDS. Second number, a carpenter makes furniture. MAKES. Third number, a postman delivers our letter. DELIVERS. Delivers. Fourth number, a tailor stitches our clothes. STITCHES. Fifth number, an engineer builds houses. BUILDS. Now, F number, filling the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs in the simple present tense. First number, he always calls his friends in the evening. Second, Monali cooks food for everyone. Third number, they work very hard for their class test. Fourth number, Mita buys books whenever she travels. Fifth number, they usually come late to class, late to school. We know negative sentences are those which have the word no or not in them. Let's read some negative sentences in the simple present tense. First number, I come early to school. I do not come early to school. Second number, he comes early to school. He does not come early to school. Third number, they cook well. They do not cook well. Fourth number, she cooks well. She does not cook well. Fifth number, you play here. You do not play here. 6 number, he plays here, he does not play here. 7 number, buses reach the stand on time, buses do not reach the stand on time. Now remember, to form negative sentences we add do not to the original form of the verb when subject is I, we, you, they or any plural subject. For example, they do not play here. We add does not to the original form of the verb when the subject is he, she, it or any singular subject in third person. For example, he does not play here. Now G number, convert the following sentences into the negative sentences. Okay, first number, the cycle belongs to him. The answer of first is the cycle does not belong to him. Second number, he plays cricket. Second number answer, he does not play cricket. Third number, they buy food from the street vendors. Third number answer, they do not buy food from the street vendors. Fourth number, Lata wakes up early. Fourth number answer, Lata does not wake up early. Fifth number, she makes good food. Fifth number answer, she does not make good food. We know interrogative sentences as questions. Interrogative sentences can be of two types: yes or no questions, which can be answered by saying yes or no. Second number, WH questions, which begin with such words as what, how, why, where and so on. Let's read how can we ask questions in simple present tense. Read these sentences. First number, Namita studies in DVS school. It's a statement. Now A number, does Namita study in DVS school? It's yes or no question. B number, where does Namita study? It's WH question. Second number, Mansi and Srishti like music. It's a statement. A number, do Mansi and Srishti like music? Yes or no question. B number, what do Mansi and Srishti like? It's WH question. Okay. H number, convert the following statements into yes or no questions. For example, first, they live in Hyderabad. Do they live in Hyderabad? Second number, Rohan reads very well. Does Rohan read very well? First number, Manya rides a cycle. First number answer, does Manya ride a cycle? Second number, Dhoni hits the ball very hard. Second number answer, does Dhoni hit the ball very hard? Third number, it rains heavily in July. Third number answer, does it rain heavily in July? Fourth number, Tia lives in Mumbai. Fourth number answer, does Tia live in Mumbai? Fifth number, they love their parents. Fifth number answer, what does he bring? Sorry, fifth number answer, do they love their parents? Again, fifth number answer, do they love their parents? Now I number, complete the conversation using question words given in the brackets. For example, what does Ravi play? We have to make question with what. Ravi plays cricket, so we have to make question from what. So what does Ravi play? Like that. First number, Rohan comes every Saturday, so we have to make answer from when. First number answer, when does Rohan come? Second number, Nisha lives in Manipur. We have to make question from where. Second number answer, where does Nisa live? Third number, Rasmi visits the doctor very often because her eyes are weak. We have to make question from why. Third number answer, why does Rasmi visit the doctor so often? Fourth number, the players go to the ground by the team bus. How? We have to make question from how. Fourth number answer, how do the players go to the ground? Fifth number, he brings video games with him. We have to make question from what. So what does he bring with him? Now let's revise. In simple present tense, we write the original form of the verb with I, you, we, they and any plural noun. For example, I go. The original form of the verb plus s or es with he, she, it and any third person singular noun. For example, he goes. Dear students, here we have completed our whole chapter. Please write down this whole exercise in your textbook. Thank you.